spot with the traffic and cars in it, so it's a little bit slower. And usually it depends, maybe 45 to an hour, sometimes 2 hours, 3 hours unlocked.
Meanwhile, a Michigan State police trooper told WXYZ, take it easy if you're out on the roads.
You gotta slow down. You wanna leave enough room so if something happens to the driver in front of you, you don't have to slam on your brake.
While the snow has stopped falling for now, cold temperatures will continue this week. As the temperatures hover around 0 degrees, the last thing you want is your furnace to go out. Heating and cooling experts say it's important to clear off your furnace vents as the snow piles up and covers them. If the vents are blocked, your furnace can shut off and carbon monoxide can build up in your home. Carl Bonak's weather is coming up. For Oldies 93 News, I'm Katie Hyde.
It's a massive overstock clearance at Mio's Furniture Fashions. Mio's showroom is full, extremely full. Now we must clear our floors.
Join us for American Top 40 on today's best music. 97.1 WGLQ.
He's a ways back.
Seems like making an appointment might take the surprise of it away.
I don't know. This ain't no disco. It ain't no country club either. This is LA. All I wanna do is have a little fun before I die. There's a man next to me out of nowhere.
Oh, I like this song.
Wait now.
Neither was my truck. I remember the one night I was coming home about, I think a couple weeks ago, and there were thick slush spots everywhere. Like, even though I had my truck in 4-wheel drive, I still had to go slow because you'd hit those fuckers and man. This winter really went from nothing to something. He's behind us. I see him.
My back is